Hello everybody, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to find LinkedIn profiles from a list of full names. And if you have company name, is better. It will be easier for LinkedIn to find it. Okay, so to find the LinkedIn profiles, you need first to download the extension Derrick app. Derrick app is an app that helps you to create database and to clean database. So if you don't have it, I definitely recommend you to download it. It's free. So let's go back on our sheets and let's open Derrick. Okay, open sidebar. Okay, here you click, you stay on leads and you click on search LinkedIn profiles. Here you select the title of your column, the full name. Here it's called full name. And you can add a company column. I have one, so I will put it. And I select company name, the same title as this one. And I go search. Now let's see what happens. Okay, great. That's it. So as you can see, Derrick created columns here. We have the full name on LinkedIn, the bio, the degree, relationship, and here the profile URL. If you're not sure about who the LinkedIn profile, if it matches with the name, you can just click on it and check if his name is Aurélien Chérel. And here we go. It's good. Let's check another one. For example, this one, it should be Valentin Mautier. Let's check. Here we go. And the last one, for example, this will check the company. For example, here we'll see if he works in Madines. Yes, Louis Bourgeois, and he works in Madines. Okay, great. That's it. If you have any question, you can comment the video. And if you liked it, you can put thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.